Christmas. Thank you for coming out this evening. Thank you for coming down here to the club, man. We had a good time with you. We want you to party with us. Come on down to the disco, alright? Right.
Hey, what's up? DJ Mac here. And guess what I have for Christmas? A camcorder by Philip. This is one of the unusual camcorders that I've ever seen. But besides that, this is one of the simple but best camcorders I've ever seen. We got a play button, we got a plus and minus sign, we got a left and right sign, and we also have a delete sign there. Oh, and I almost forgot, there's also this power button, which can be easily pressed, and there's some junk at the bottom. No pun intended. What does this do? Whoa! This camcorder has advantages of being simple, small, no pun intended, and also very light. But does it record well? Let's find out. Whoa! Wowzers, wowzers! Look at this! This is my computer! Wow! This camera is like very smoothie-ish. I don't know how to explain this. Let's try this. This is my kitchen. Not very special, just an ordinary kitchen. Except for the fridge. This fridge is very, very ironish. This is my living room. And what you hear above is the bar light. Oh, this is my mother's computer. Actually, this used to be my computer before I got my new computer. Well, anything else new? Oh yes, I'm a Christian. Oh look, a TV! A big flat screen TV. It's something like... I don't care anymore. This is my garage. Well, nothing new here, just a bunch of junk. Like always, this is just an ordinary garage. Except this time, we have a hanging gorilla. That's very unusual. Mops. Another hanging gorilla. And me. Nothing takes better than nothingness. This is my backyard. I can't really go inside because you hear the rain? Yeah, that's the reason. I'm inside my closet. My dogs are chasing me. I don't know what I do, but dude, I can hear them. I can hear them. Wow. Okay, enough fun time. Well, that's enough fun. I'm really surprised that this thing can do good. You know, when I first saw this thingy here, I thought it's gonna like record crappily. But luckily, I was wrong. I guess technology is getting better and better. To make this even better, I got a tripod, but unfortunately, I got a medium version. Pitiful. So pitiful. Merry Christmas everybody, and let me finish the Madonna Lights Brand Show Christmas Part 2 and maybe Part 3. So, later, DJ Mac out.